Myself Arup, along with my mother Himani Datta. So we are from Guwahati, Assam. I've been in Bangalore since 3 years, and I'm working in Wipro in Bangalore. So and my wife, she's also working in Bangalore here. So my mother, she has been suffering from varicose veins since 35 years, I can say, is post my birth. So, recently, last May month, she has developed the heaviness in the legs. So no pain, nothing. Almost, I think, almost 3 or 4 months back, when she started developing this heaviness. She can't stay for a longer duration in standing position. As she is a housewife, she needs to do all the household stuff. So it's very discomfort for her at this age, as she is 65 plus years. So she can't do anything and move on, go for a walk in the morning or evening. So these things are happened. Then we almost in Guwahati, we went to 2 or 3 doctors, and they have suggested this wearing the stockings that might reduce the heaviness and discomfort for a while, but there should be some surgery need to be done, and they just advise. My wife, she was in Bangalore since almost, I can say, 10 plus years. She was very well versed of Bangalore and all the doctors and hospitals. So she suggested me to why we can't take mom to Bangalore. There will be a better opportunity, and she will get operated with the doctors. So we came back in the month of September, and then we went through the websites with the other hospitals as well, and a couple of physical visits as well. But my mother and even I and my wife also were not that much convinced with the doctor, how they do the consultant on these varicose veins and stuff, and regarding the treatment, the procedure and all this. So after almost 2 to 3 visits have completed, then later one day we both find Medfin in the of course it's available Google, and searching in the Google varicose veins treatment in Bangalore. So we find Medfin, then we drop a note to call back, and we received a call from Medfin, and then later we have started developing the conversation with the Medfin. Initially, Avilas, he gave a call to me and told me the whole procedure. And then we first visited HSR Slevert Focus Diagnostic Center. It's on, I think, on Saturday, where we visited. And before that, I was missed to add, when I spoke to Abhishek, he told me about Dr. Sunil Joshi, who is the specialist for the vascular EVLT procedure, which we already knew about by searching in YouTube and even in Medfin portal itself. Well written article in varicose veins and the procedure, what is the treatment, cost and everything. So we also went to Sunil Joshi's profile, and mostly my wife, she went through Sunil Joshi's profile. She advised me we can go ahead with this with him, because I saw many sites where his feedback is very good. Even he operated in Columbia, Asia, and other 2 or 3 hospitals. So I think for mom, probably I can say the best right now. So later when we spoke with Abhishek, he had taken the appointment with Sunil Joshi. Then on Saturday, I think we 3 went there in the focus diagnostic in the HSR. So Avilas is also there. He helped out the whole process and the consultant of the Sunil Joshi. When doctor is telling the procedure and the treatment, how he treated a mom and convinced him not to get any stress on this and don't take any tension regarding this. And mom is pretty much very happy in the first visit itself with him. So we are almost, it's all, I think hardly 20 or 30 minutes of physical visit with him. Went very nicely. We just coordinate with Medfin, and I think Dr. Kritika, she was one who initiated the conversation in email chain where we just proposed about the cost and everything. She guided me very well. Before the surgery part, I think Jia comes into the picture. We were advised to go to the Marigold Hospital on 15th of October, and we did the pre-anesthetic test for mom, and Jia coordinated whole in the pre-surgery procedure. It went very well, and we got the initial assessment from hospital as well, Marigold Hospital. The staff is very good, and later we'll advise to come in the next morning because we need to admit her. So I think it probably in the morning we came. The Medfin helped us all in the pickup drop as well. So I can say very thanks to Medfin. Jia coordinated the pickup thing. Then we came in the morning at around 6 or 6:30, and the procedure has started. The initial checks were need to be done before the surgery, and she was admitted around 8:20 in the OT, and almost I think 1 hour or 50 minutes it took whole the surgery, and it went very successfully. And later when I was called by the nurse to meet my mom and doctor, and Sunil Joshi, he gave the assurance that the operation is very successful. She is very strong and she responded very good, so no need to worry. I think probably 2 or 3 weeks time she will get cured. Right now she had little hardness in her leg, so that will be going out after 2 or 3 weeks. Now she is wearing the stocks as per his advice, and no other medicines, nothing. The ones which she is already taking, doctor advised to take this also. No restriction in food and nothing. So it's for her. I think she can say how she is feeling right now. I probably say if you come across pics of the legs, so and then you will probably find it's very good, very nicely done by Dr. Sunil Joshi. I can say it's awesome, very, very great, because nowadays since we have all facing the COVID situation, it's very helpful for someone like Medfin or I can say any other platform who can give this service to us, because nowadays it's very difficult to go to your mom or dad. They are aged, right? 65, 70 years. It's very tough. We are always been scared of, okay, if I take my mom to hospital, might be some issue, or maybe COVID will attack or something. So Medfin, I guess they really helped us because it's less I can say interaction with the hospital, because mostly it's done with the WhatsApp chat and they throw emails. The only visit because that's necessary, because it's if it's like any other treatment, maybe eye or something, I'm not sure, maybe video call or maybe a fever or something can do, but for her it's a varicose veins and definitely a doctor's consultancy is required. We went through the Medfin and the process and the guidance and the help support, I can say awesome. They helped us a lot. The payment part is crucial here as well, because if I go for some other treatment or maybe in the varicose veins in other hospitals or somewhere, they will charge highly, even if I have insurance or if you can whatever credit payment or anything like. But the main part, the explanation, the cost, what are the components involved in that whole package, that's very nice. And we already get to know about all this. There is no extra amount that would going to charge us, because some hospital post surgery they will give a few bills. We have experienced this as well. So additional amount you need to pay, this kind of thing. So that nothing, not with Medfin. Even I can say Jia helped in that, because initially on the 15th of October, I remember we have been charged for some amount. Then he told me this will be getting deducted from your final bill. So just remind me, even I forgot, and I don't, but just remind me. So it won't be you need to pay more because it's included in the package. Yeah, the coordination part is the best, and the time, I can say that timings of the guy, and even they are busy with multiple surgeries and roaming here and there. They just give us a call, okay sir, I'll be there, and you just come, and follow-ups, and the what I can say, the explanation of that Medfin's initial assessment, how they will going to charge and what are the hospitals, and they are, and all this are very good. Means well versed in that email as well. And when I spoke to guy Abhilash and even Jia, they just suggested me, and no need to worry, you just leave it to us. Even for the pickup and drop facility, I can say he just took all the details and coordinated everything, and it was very awesome, I can say. So we are very thankful to Medfin and Sunil Joshi for this, and thanks a lot guys, and I'll surely recommend to the other patients who is suffering from disease.